Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 4.4 in the chapter Geometry. Question number 6. From the given figures, classify the following pairs of angles into complementary and non-complementary. We have known the two angles are complementary if they add up to 90 degree. Question number subdivision 1. In this figure, the given angles are 45 degree and 45 degree. Now we add 45 degree and 45 degree, we get 90 degree. So the given angles 45 degree and 45 degree are complementary. In figure 5, the given angles are 45 degree and 45 degree. So the given angle 45 degree plus 45 degree, we get 90 degree. So the given angles are complementary. In figure 2, 3 and 4 are non-complementary angles. In figure 2, 25 plus 25, we get only 50. It is not equal to 90 degree. So it is a non-complementary angle. In figure 3, 75 degree plus 105 degree, we get 180 degree, which is not equal to right angle. So it is a non-complementary angle. And in figure 4, the given angles 40 degree and 52 degree. When we add up 40 degree and 52 degree, we get 92 degree, which is not equal to 90 degree. So the given angles in the figure 4, 40 degree and 52 degree are non-complementary angles. Question number 7. From the figures given below, classify the following pairs of angles into supplementary and non-supplementary angles. If two angles add up to 180 degree, then they are supplementary angles. In figure 2, the given angles are 85 degree and 95 degree. Now we add 85 degree and 95 degree, we get 180 degree. So the given angles 85 degree and 95 degree are supplementary to each other. In figure 4, the pair of angles 30 degree and 150 degree give 180 degree. So the pair of angles 30 degree and 150 degree are supplementary to each other. In figure 1 and figure 3 are not complementary because the given angles in figure 1, 30 degree and 120 degree only give 150 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. And in figure 3, the given angles 110 degree and 120 degree are not supplementary because 110 plus 120 equal to 250, which is not equal to 180. So the given figure 1 and 3 are not supplementary. Question number 8. From the figure subdivision 1, name a pair of complementary angles. Subdivision 2, name a pair of supplementary angles. In the given figure, angle FAE and angle DAE are complementary because angle FAE plus angle DAE gives angle FAD, which is equal to 90 degree. Question number 2. Angle FAD and angle DAC or supplementary, because angle FAD plus angle DAC equal to 180 degree. Question number 9. Find the complementary angle of the following. Subdivision 1. Given angle is 30 degree. The complementary angle of 30 degree is equal to 90 minus 30 equal to 60. So the complementary angle of 30 is 60 degree. Subdivision 2. The given angle 26 degree. Complementary angle of 26 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 26 degree equal to 64. So 64 is the complementary angle of 26. Subdivision 3. The given angle 85 degree. Complementary angle of 85 degree is 90 degree minus 85 degree equal to 5 degree. So 5 degree is the complementary angle of 85 degree. Subdivision 4. Complementary angle of 0 is 90 degree minus 0 degree equal to 90 degree. So 0 is the complementary angle of 90 degree. Question number 5. Complementary angle of 90 degree. 90 degree minus 90 degree equal to 0 degree. Here 0 is the complementary angle of 90. Find the supplementary angle of the following. Subdivision 1. Supplementary angle of 70 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. So supplementary angle of 70 equal to 110 degree. Question number 2. The given degree is 35. Now we find the supplementary angle of 35 degree equal to 180 degree minus 35 degree equal to 145 degree. So 145 degree is the supplementary angle of 35 degree. Subdivision 3. Supplementary angle of 165 degree. 180 degree minus 165 degree equal to 15 degree. So 15 degree is the supplementary angle of 165 degree. Subdivision 4. The given angle is 90 degree. We find the supplementary angle of 90 degree is equal to 180 minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree is the supplementary angle of 90 degree. The given angle is 0 degree. Supplementary angle of 0 degree equal to 180 degree minus 0 degree equal to 180 degree. So supplementary angle of 0 degree is equal to 180 degree. The given angle is 180 degree. Supplementary angle of 180 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree equal to 0. So 0 degree is the supplementary angle of 180 degree. Subdivision 7. Given angle is 95 degree. Supplementary angle of 95 degree is 180 degree minus 95 degree equal to 85 degree. So supplementary angle of 95 degree equal to 85 degree. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 4.4. Thank you.